Looking to boost engagement and drive conversion on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the call to action banner block from Blocks. Perfect for creating eye-catching banners with interactive style, hover effects, and customizable buttons. Whether you are promoting a product, highlighting a special offer, or encouraging user interaction, I'll guide you through setting it up without any coding. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg Block Editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Block Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Block Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Block Pro plugin, go to Block, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Blocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Block Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the CTA Banner block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for CTA Banner. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of CTA Banner block from Blocks. Under the Style and Content tab, you'll find some predefined styles for the banner. Style 1, Style 2, Style 3, Style 4, Style 5, Style 6, Style 7, and Style 8. As you can see, all of them will give a unique look to your banner. So let's continue with Style 7 for now. Then from the banner image section, you have to add the background image. From the image size, you can set the image size. In the title field, you can add the banner title. In the subtitle, you can add a subtitle as well. Then in the description, you can add a description. Then from the hover style, you can add different hover style to the banner. You can add blur effect, it will look like this. Then you can add simple. Then you can add vertical effect. Then you can add parallax effect, which will give a 3D look to your banner. Let's continue with parallax for now. Then from the button tab, you can add a button to the banner. To do that, you have to enable the show button toggle. Then from the style, you can select a predefined style for the button. Then you can add a text for the button. You can add a link. For style 2, you can add an icon to the button. For icon, you can add font awesome icon or dash icons. You can adjust the icon position, icon spacing, icon size as well. Then in the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the title, you can adjust the banner title typography. You can even add global typography. You can adjust the title color for normal and hover states. If you have added a subtitle, you will find a style tab for that as well. Then from the description tab, you can adjust the description typography. You can adjust the text color for normal and hover states. You can adjust the top and bottom space from the title. From the button tab, you can adjust the button style. You will see this tab only if you have enabled this show button toggle. From here, you can adjust the button style. You can adjust the button typography. You can adjust the color for normal and hover states. You can adjust spacing above bottom of the button. You can adjust padding. You can adjust border radius, background, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the background tab, you can adjust the background styling. You can add a background overlay. You can adjust border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. For style 8, you will find this button background tab as well. From here, you can adjust the background of this button section. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling option to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the CTA Banner block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.